What's up guys, welcome to yet another video on this channel. In this video we are going to answer your question in regards with different types of lenses and which lens you should be using for your type of work. So without wasting any time, let's just get started. Hey guys, in case you are new to the channel, my name is Prathamesh and I am travel photographer from beautiful country of India. And on this channel we discuss everything related to photography. So if you are looking for exploration in photography, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Speaking about types of lenses, there are mainly three types. The first one is standard lens, the second one is wide angle lens, and the third one is telephoto lens. Now, what are these terms and which one you should be using for your type of work? Let's just go through them one by one. Now, the one parameter which differentiates all these different types of lenses is nothing but the focal length. Now, what is focal length is the complete different topic of discussion, but the focal length is basically associated with your field of view. And depending upon what the focal length of that particular lens is, the lens will fall under one of these three categories called as standard lens, wide angle lens or telephoto lens. Let's just speak about standard lenses. Now the standard lenses falls under the focal length of 35 mm to 100 mm. Now why they are called as standard lenses is because the field of view produced by the standard lenses is exactly the way we sees it in day-to-day life. So wherever there is a requirement of producing a final result the way human sees it, we will be using the standard lens. Now what are the different types of genres which falls under standard lens category are nothing but street photography, wedding photography, and at times fashion photography as well. All these genres needs a perspective as the way human sees it. So if you are into one of these kind of genres, probably you should be looking out for one of these lenses into your bag. The second type of lens that we are going to talk about is nothing but my favorite wide angle lenses. But before talking about wide angle lenses, let me just remind you that if you are interested into photography related content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it's going to be really happening in coming days. Speaking about wide angle lenses, lenses which falls below focal length of 35 mm until 12 mm are called as wide angle lenses. Now these type of lenses have the capability of expanding your field of view further than the standard lens. So these type of lenses can be used wherever you need a larger perspective or larger vision of the particular scene, and hence these type of lenses seem to be used by landscape photographers, travel photographers who wants to capture a larger field of view. The third type of lens is nothing but telephoto lens. Now telephoto lens is exactly opposite of what wide angle lenses does. If the wide angle lenses widens the field of view, telephoto lenses narrows down the field of view. So telephoto lenses can be used wherever the isolation of subject is required from the background or the surrounding elements. The focal length of telephoto lens ranges from 100 mm to 200 mm, 300 mm, 400 mm, at times 600 mm as well. And thus these type of lenses can be seen to be used by wildlife photographers who loves to capture animal or bird which are beyond control of standard lenses. Okay guys, so whatever we have discussed till now is the higher level of differentiation between different types of lenses. This differentiation would help you to choose the perfect lens for your type of work, but we are not done yet. In the next video, we will try to understand differentiation between prime lenses and zoom lenses and which one is more better for your type of work again. If you are looking to buy out new camera equipments or camera lenses in this Diwali from Amazon, don't forget to check out my Amazon shop where I've been mentioned as Amazon influencer. With all of your support, I've got this honor and I've created this place only for you which is basically an affiliated Amazon shop. You would be able to find out all the equipments that I use personally and I recommend to all the photographers out there. I'll see you around in the next video. Until then, happy Diwali, stay safe, stay healthy, bye bye.